Yes, we got it. Yoink. It ain't cutoff season anymore, Nick. What? How the fuck did that just break? Might need you to go down inside there first to hold my tape. We'll do both sides of this wall. Hold me or hook me on the bottom plate. All right. We'll go to the other side so I can just make sure they're both the same. All right. Think they're gonna be the same? They fucking should be. Yeah, looks like 8 1/4. Be an 8 1/4 inch past with our plywood, past our bottom plate. We'll have to square it up, make it really nice and square before we start nailing sheeting on. And then we'll just cut out the window while we're at it. Yeah, that's where I started layout. I'll let go. Yeah, you'll probably have to move. So we gotta go your way another 6 inches. What? So you hold me on the very outside corner of the bottom plate, and you're on this side of the tape?
Yep.
Okay. I've got right there 235 and 5/8. Want to go up to that corner? This side? We're fucking right on. I've got 8 1/4. Going into a lot of fucking stud. Good call.
Whoa, right there.
Gap us a little bit. As long as we're good on that stud, which we are, and you're 8 1/4 there, and I'm probably 8 1/4 here. Just a hair short, we're good. Good.
And then have grab some short ones, but the other ones in the box. Just like 10 kinds.
Yeah.
I probably could have snapped that a little
Maybe
better.
just a little bit. It's there.
But if you notice, that's what breaks them is the other half.
Your bottom plate, yeah. And it's the same layout. I think so.
So maybe turning the adjuster.
I'm gonna go change my GoPro battery. This should be 23 with a little gappage. Yeah, dog. 23. Use mine. That needs definitely filled. Has been the issue.
Hear it like the berries need.
What did you mark, Nick?
Which 2 marks?
Jeez, Nick.
Why is there a mark? That's not even a mark. So, I think I dropped it.
They do that. Fucking fender, mate. Yeah. Fuck, why am I nailing the bottom? Look pretty good.
You guys ready?
Uh-huh. Nick, send it. Bit of an overhang.
Crack my head on the gutter, knock myself out.
Sure, bro.
Goes on top.
Yeah, just
Right in that corner there.
I believe so.
A little more. Whoa. Right, whoa, right, whoa.
In the end grain.
Can I expand it because it's wet?
I missed both. Bang. Hopefully the wind don't rip that shit off, but oh yeah, we could push that end a tiny bit. 3, 2, 1.
What the fuck? You douchebags.
Derek went on 3.
I guess just sliding the plywood.
Yep. We have our line there, so we know we're 5.5 away. Excuse me.
Right there.
And a wall already sheeted in Tyvek. Damn, man. Bang.
He's gonna do steel.